I feel it in my veins, masking all this pain. Been searching high and low, with nowhere else to go. I used to feel alive, so many years went by. I wish I had more time, just wanna feel alright. Stars across the sky, guide me home. No more crying, it's time to go. Been searching for you, high and low. I need to know, where did you go? We can fly away, we can fly away. We can fly away, we can fly away. To a higher place, take me to a higher place. To a higher place, take me to a higher place.
I'm thinking way back to the recess days when we could have fun in a million one ways. Young and innocent, none of us knew the president, and Santa was the man, cause his toy supply was infinite. Reliving it with all the friends made, hanging out every day, meeting when the bell rang. Tried to behave, I remember each day, stupid things that I did from K to 12th grade. That life was all gravy, but lately I'm wishing I was 18. Got a lot more stacked on my plate, see, it's crazy. It's the end of the road where I call home. That life known. Transition is a mission, just trying to make it on my own. Friends I've made, I would not trade one single day. Cause memories, they never fade. No more desks, no more class. Now it's time that I pick my path. Do I get moving instead of working 9 to 5? Flying around the world every night, performing live. So I sit way back, try to paint it out. Living life on the road and what it's all about. All the past I paved, is it the final route? I can't tell, but it is right now. So I'm pushing all my chips in till I really don't know when. Fly as high as I can while I'm holding on to the beat and to the mic stand. Oh, if my dream don't last, I think back to the past, to the good old days. Cause memories, it's the end of the road where I call home. That life known. Transition is a mission, just trying to make it on my own. Friends I've made, I would not trade one single day. Cause memories, they never fade. Lost track of the time, thinking it would all be fine. Now I don't see light, lay awake, just think about life. Stuck cause I can't choose. scared of my next move. Life's one long mystery. What will your mission be? It's the end of the road where I call home. That life known. Transition is a mission, just trying to make it on my own. Friends I've made, I would not trade one single day. 'Cause memories, they never fade.
Are you fucking with me? You smoke weed? Nigga, please. Tell me, are you on? You smoke strong? Your money long? Do you got racks? You got tats? Your city on the map? You niggas killing? You niggas robbing? You be ballin'? Are you fucking with creeper? You spit ether? Colder than the freezer? Are you a rapper? Am I a slacker? Give me an answer. Bitch niggas, you some fuck niggas. You get it poppin', you be bossin', does it look like I'm stopping? Is your chain real? Do you pay your bills? Do you slang pills? Bitch niggas, you some fuck niggas. Does it look like I care? Fuck niggas wanna stare, bitch nigga, grow a pair. You want me to get violent? You want sirens, moment of silence? Now you gone, life goes on, that shit cold. You got CDs, you wanna be me? Can you see me? Bitch niggas, you some fuck niggas. Are you the best? Is that a guess? Should I leave a mess? You fucking with Snoop? You got troops? You got a booth? Fuck outta here. Bitch niggas, you some fuck niggas. It's creeper, bitch.
Yeah. Feel like I'm the only one. Feel like I'm the only one. Yeah. Y'all gon' have to do better. I can't believe what I'm seeing. All this bullshit going on, the industry is deceiving. All the masses picture rappers as these independent crimes. Meanwhile, there's been a label right behind them the whole time. Fake shit, call it out. You a plug before your first song. I was putting in work, you were getting worked on. Your fans are fickle, cause you'll come up as a mystery. My fans gon' stick with me, cause me and them got history. Longer than 2 songs, you don't know how to build. You try to start at the roof, you won't be here for too long. I don't fuck with crews unless you're the one who put the crew on. The rest of y'all got buzz because he put you on a few songs. Ooh, that strike a nerve. If the truth is to wear it, either way I know the truth, I'ma share it. See these rappers sign deals, labels know what they're doing. They tell the rapper don't announce it so the people keep rooting. Try to keep me on the hush, but I do not give a fuck. This is rush uncut. You ain't really seen shit, just wait till I'm on. And the song got a lot I gotta show you. Now you got the lie, yeah. I bring it to the lie, yeah. Got the expose fake shit. I put in too much time, yeah. I'm coming through exposing fake shit. God can't save you. You're a boss, you got a boss, and that boss rates you. Barely pays you, but you cool with it. You're a soldier unaware that you're a lieutenant. I got a gripe with the media. All of y'all are wannabes, producers and rappers. Down for side of me, dick taking cause the industry tells you to. It's fucked up, I had a standard that I held you to. I'll name names if you provoke me, so shut your fucking mouth. My
My platform is way bigger than the ones that turn me down. Bunch of grown men and women talking about grown men and women for a living. Man, you gotta be kidding. Call me bitter, call me jealous, call me this, call me that. This is 10 years grinding, what the fuck you call that? Made the beats, wrote the songs, sang the hooks, and I mixed it. Everybody's got a switch and y'all just flip.
Trying to keep me on the hush, but I didn't give a fuck. This is what's uncut, I'll expose you. Ain't really seeing shit, just wait till the morning. It's on, got a lot I gotta show you.
Why you got the lawyer? I bring it to the lawyer. Got the exposed spreadsheet. I put in too much time. You're an industry artist, I'm an artist in the industry. Me, myself, and I, that's the holy fucking trinity. I partner with Columbia, partnered is the key word. We split the profits 50-50. Better do your research. Came in with my own fan base. Sold out tours around the world before the handshakes. You see, I play the game well, you let the game play you. You don't know your own power, you think the label saved you. Now subconsciously you owe them, you're submissive with your actions. Then you flop, and you wonder what happened. Couple things, you drop one song inside a deal. You have less than 10 songs out. You're not real, so the song became bigger than the artist. People know the song, but they don't know the artist. Not enough songs to become their favorite artist. Not enough songs to be a headline artist. I could do a week-long set if I perform my whole catalog. Every single song the crowd sing and rap along. Fuck a summer, I'm a decade rapper. You're here now, I'll be here a decade after. I put out 11 albums, produced by Russ. Mix, master, engineer, written by Russ. I put out 11 albums, produced by Russ. Mix, master, engineer, written by Russ.